88%, and third, Aitorma Jamatia with 82.90%.
I would like to request our principal madam to come on stage and unfurl the national flag, which will be followed by us singing the national anthem.
Let's sing our national anthem on 1, 2, 3.
Trying their best, they still got up again because they knew that with every ounce of their strength, if they giving their best, if they try their best, they are going to achieve what they are fighting for.
The next, from 22, very also.
First, Noeli with 94%, and second, Elena with 88%, and third, Elizabeth Molson with 86%. I want to request 7A, Sapama. 7B. 7B, Miss Ramte. I 8A, Roliani, Julie. 8B, Lisa and Andrew. 8C, the first goes to Ranjani, 27%, and third, Miss Ma Molson with 66%. For 8C, I would request Miss Monte. Ranjani, Deepika, and Miss Ma. Ranjani, Deepika, and Miss Ma. Okay, 9A. The first goes to Naomi Kuki with 90%, and second, Rebecca Rankol with 88%, and third, Leram Engoi with 85%. And I would request Miss Mani to give the award. Engoi. 9B, the first, Remali Moso with 93%, and Siamthar Moso with 85%, and third, Nita Moso. And for 9B, I would request Sarnat Thea to give the award. Remali, Siamthar, and Nita. 9C, the first position, Ndiki Molso with 82%, second, Evelyn Molso with 81%, and third, Mesak Molso with 78%. 9C, I would request Salma Dua to give the award.
Where is my class?